Hey guys, what's up? We are getting ready to dive into another project on Dream. So I'll bring you those clips. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's go.
Hold up.
Guess what? I added something new to the lounge area. So Dream has gotten herself some more jewelry. And my hand is up here because I'm trying to hide it from you guys, but hide not. Check it out. Like a little halo.
Ooh, this is nice, girl.
See it? Look.
This orange is you right here? Okay. They don't smell like roaches in here or nothing.
Okay, so this is the before, like before anything. And then this was when Ivan had removed that ugly fan that you see. And I couldn't find anything to go with, so we just left it the way that it was. And everything looked beautiful, but I love the way that it looks with the new fan. So there is the new fan light that Ivan is putting up. There you go. Say hi, Ivan. You never say anything.
Hi. Is that good enough? I'm getting white glove service over here.
White glove service. What should we name her? Let's see. That's high, medium, low. It's super quiet. Nice light. Okay, so new addition to the lounge area. Ivan, come in here. You look crazy.
Oh.
It's raining outside, so we were doing some work outside, but say hi, Ivan.
Hi, everybody.
You're looking right here.
Oh, okay. I'm looking at myself over there.
No, look over there. So Ivan put in, I'm going to turn the fan off because it's cold and he's wet.
Yes.
And so yeah, Ivan put it in the neighbor's truck. Can you hear it?
Never fails.
Never fails. As soon as I turn on the camera, he's got to back up his truck. So anyway, so this is the famous Ivan. But yeah, we put in a new fan. Well, I don't say we because Ivan did all of that by himself. But there's a new fan up here now, and we need to name her. So yeah. All right, guys. So if we, what was I trying to say? I can't even remember what I was trying to say. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys. All right, guys. I just wanted to show you the new jewelry that's been added to Dream. I hope you like it. I love it. I think she's so cute and perfect with these lamps. Like, perfect. I mean, come on. Come on. Isn't she cute? I can't really do the tippy toe thing right now. Actually, I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. Love it. Love it. And do we not still love these lamps? You know what, guys? I think, now you know I got these lamps, where I got these lamps from. I came up really well with these lamps. I did great. But everybody just loves them so much that I went digging. I think I'm gonna do a giveaway of the same exact lamps because I found them. I found them, guys. Remember, I got mine at the pawn shop. So I didn't know too much about them. There were no tags on them or anything, but I went digging and I dug and dug and dug. And I finally found them, and they are the exact same lamps, and I think that I want to do a giveaway. I just haven't decided what and how. So if you have any ideas of how to do this giveaway so that it's actually going to help out the channel, so if you guys have some ideas about how to go about doing this as some sort of contest or whatever, but yeah, I'm gonna actually give away the same exact lamps. You can't have mine, but I now know where I can purchase them. So let me know if you have any ideas, okay? All right guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was fun to make. I am so excited about the new addition to Dream, because no matter what anybody says, that light fixture did not exist when I started on her renovations, and I'm glad that I waited. So anyway, if you want to name her, leave it in the comments. Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this channel with others who you think might enjoy the shenanigans. You know we like to cut up. I love you. Bye! Alrighty guys, it is shout out time, and I have a special shout out for Ro, Tim Threat, one of my day ones, Talita Divine, Kim Visible Free, Loretta Toombs, and Tawana to Inspire DIYs, a woman after my own heart. I want to say thank you to everyone who watches this channel and gives support and also shares. Thank you. Have a great day. If you're going to be on here, let another video play. Other than that, I love you. Bye.